Hasan lies in bed, his eyes wide with fear as thunder rumbles and shadows dance. Why do the shadows move at night? Do they dance or do they bite?
The storm's rage finds a dark echo in Hasan's room, where a long, strange shadow dances on the wall, alive with eerie movement. Hasan rubs his eyes, lost in disbelief, as the shadow seems to breathe, peeling itself away from the wall. In a moment of eerie clarity, Hasan whispers, "Shadows creeping on the wall. No one's there, but I hear a call." The shadow moves to the corner, its form taking shape. Hasan is frozen, fear gripping him. The shadow speaks gently, "I don't want to scare you. I'm just lonely." Hasan, voice trembling, asks, "Who are you?" The shadow responds softly, "I'm an old shadow. I've lived in this room for a long time, but no one ever talks to me." The storm fades, and moonlight washes over Hasan as he sits on his bed, a newfound peace settling over him. Hasan whispers, "Even shadows want a friend, a little light, and fear will end." Hasan's mother peeks into the room, surprised by his newfound calm. Hasan smiles gently, "I'm not alone. I have a shadow friend now."